Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today we're taking a look at Resy, a popular online reservation platform found at resy.com. Resy helps you snag tables at some of the most sought-after restaurants. It's a valuable tool for anyone who enjoys dining out, especially in bustling cities where reservations are essential. Using Resy can save you the hassle of constantly calling restaurants or showing up and hoping for a table. The platform is user-friendly and offers a convenient way to browse available times, make reservations, and even manage your existing bookings. Navigating the website or app is straightforward, allowing you to quickly find restaurants based on location, cuisine, price range, and other criteria. Resy often features exclusive access to reservations, special events, and experiences you won't find anywhere else. It can be your key to unlocking unique dining opportunities and discovering hidden gems. Beyond just booking tables, Resy provides insightful content about restaurants, chefs, and culinary trends, enriching your overall dining experience. They often highlight up-and-coming restaurants and offer curated lists to help you explore new culinary territories. While Resy primarily focuses on popular restaurants, it also includes a growing number of more casual eateries, making it a versatile tool for all types of dining experiences. So whether you're looking for a special occasion spot or a quick weeknight dinner, Resy has you covered. Consider checking out resy.com to streamline your dining reservations and enhance your culinary adventures. With its extensive network of restaurants and user-friendly interface, Resy is a must-have tool for any food enthusiast. Don't forget to check the description for the link.